Yes, welcome all. Today, I'm going to discuss how to create uh, one single Google Meet link on a Google Classroom. So, for this season, this is only applicable to a G Suite user, or rather, who are using official email ID or institutional email ID. Okay, so it's a very simple process. The way you usually create any Google Classroom on by using the application, definitely the same way you have to create that Google Classroom. Okay, this is my official email account. If you could observe here, okay, and here you have to first of all log in, and you will see here the nine dot, and then you can directly go to the Google Classroom app, and here it is the result actually. So I have created for my own classes, uh, but now for a demo purpose, I will create one another classroom wherein I will be able to show you how to create uh, Google Meet link, unique Meet link, so that all the students will join that classroom and will be able to join Google Meet uh, whenever you have a schedule of that particular lecture. Okay, so let's just create one class. Create a class. This is, and you name it. I will give you just name demo class or Google Meet. I'm not going to fill up all these other uh, the other sections here. Okay, I'm directly creating uh, class. So it will take some time to create a class. So with the help of this particular link, uh, obviously you have to share. Okay, this is how uh, the, the this complete scenario here. Okay, and now one thing you have to remember: the way you people are giving sharing this class code. Okay, and this class code you are going to share with your students. And recently, the Google Meet has also come up with the invite link, so you can copy this invite link and share it on any kind of a social media network to your students, and only those students who are having uh, official email ID, they will be able to join here. Okay, so either you share. There are two ways of going for this. Either you share this particular code, that is QDKASFG, like this, or recently the Google Classroom has introduced this particular feature. So when you are copying this invite link, either you can share with your students on through your email, rather you can share it on a WhatsApp group also, and that particular link look likes this only. I can show it here. This is how the, okay, this link you have to share, and automatically once the respective students will get this link, they will be able to join in this particular class. Okay, now it's a demo class for your subject, whatever the name that that you want to give. Okay, this is important. Another the purpose of this particular video to make is to how to generate one unique link for your all students who are already enrolled here. Okay, here is also that particular link is available. So coming back to here, uh, okay, here is a generate meet link. Okay, you will be able to see the moment you create. So just you need to create, sorry, you just need to click it here, and then the generate, you have to click on the generate meet link. With meet video meetings, you can connect with students for a distance learning. You can manage meet in your class setting, and this is what, simply you have to click it here, and the moment you click here, the link is generated. Okay, so There is one option is also there to copy, but I don't think so you need to go for that. So, and obviously it should be visible to students, and save it. And after saving, now this is a link. You can it will appear in the header section of this particular Google Classroom. So what will happen? Suppose you want to conduct a lecture, you just have to click it here, and even the students who are enrolled here, okay, they will also will be able to see this particular link. They will also click on this link, and they will also be able to join the class. Okay, and this link can be unique for this class. So the very important thing to understand from the whole thing is that uh, you don't need to create a link and share that link on your WhatsApp or any other way of doing it. So no need to create every time for every class link. Single link will operate throughout your semester, or unless and until you are on that particular classroom, on this classroom, the link will remain as it is. Only it means that the faculty has to go to this particular classroom. They have to click it here. Now see, the moment you click it here, you will be able to see. This is how the, as usual, creating it. So we have made a certain kind of like we have made certain kind of some settings in a G Suite for a G Suite user of our institution, that unless and until the faculty will not join a meeting, the students will not be able to join that meeting. Okay, and this is how the beauty of this particular uh, like Google Meet facility. Okay, one another thing I would like to share you. You click on you click on this gear icon, and you will see the same link. It appears here also, here. Okay, now there are two options: either you can copy or you can reset. But resetting a link doesn't hamper to create, means ultimately it's just for resetting purpose. Okay, once you reset, it means, even though, so suppose I have resetted, now earlier it was different, now AKGS. Okay, and just do like this and see here, save. So we'll be able to see the differently. But for being a faculty or being a student, it doesn't make any difference. Only they have to click. Faculty has to create, has to click for scheduling their virtual class, and also the students also go to that particular classroom and just have to click. So this is important thing need to understand. And one more thing I would like to add into this particular video: how I can conduct attendance. So there is a one particular extension for Google Chrome, and that extension is Google Meet attendance. What you can do, uh, so you just put it into a Google about Google Meet attendance. Now, if you could see here, now actually this, you see this particular icon here, and rather you can remember this Alan Colley, because there are a lot of extension can be developed by many of the developer, but we are preferring this because it shows you a lot of the graphics, graphical view of attendance. So you just click, you just remember this Alan dot Kohe, or you remember this icon to get, as this particular extension is already there in my Google Chrome. So hence it is showing it as a remove from Chrome. Otherwise, add this extension. So only you have to click it here, and automatically the extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. And see one so how the attendance is generated, I can tell you, because we have already taken some of the attendance here. And this is what the beauty of this thing: these files gets automatically generated the moment you are uh, ending that particular session. Okay, this is how. See here, it's this, and uh, what this exactly meaning of this here it is mentioned. Okay, the student was present. If it is completely green, the student was present. And rejoin, if there is some horizontal sorry, there is a slanting lines are there. uh, okay, and this is forward slanting line, and there is a backward slanting line, and they have rejoin and rejoin again. So likewise you will be able to observe this screen. So it will create a what kind of a class list it is there, what type of meet it is there, and what date, uh, when you have started a link, when see this is 11:19, end time is 12:18, and the length of meet is 59 minute. Okay, so it shows like this. Okay, so it's the beauty of that particular extension. Okay, coming back to this thing, I think it's more than enough to understand how to create this particular link. So I hope you understood this thing. And this is just a one link. You don't need to create every day a new link and share it with the students. Only you have to go to your classroom, and the student also has to enter the classroom. It's a one time go, like the student will be able to see such kind of window. Okay, student, the moment they have enrolled for various classes, they will be able to see like this kind of uh, window onto their screen for their respective subject class. Okay, and only they have to go to here and then uh, start. And how you can take attendance, you don't need to worry about that taking attendance. What simply you can do, you just click it here. uh, the moment you are trying to so this extension, this is how the extension is working here. uh, okay, and now you click on and join now. And okay, and obviously so I'm just switching off my video, and this is the way you can handle it. Okay, you have to uncheck this one and it will disappear. Now all the students will appear, as you know, like everyone knows how the students are, how students appear onto this particular screen. Okay, and your session is going on, then now it's time to end. So you can end it. Okay, another thing, like you can present now and all this stuff that everybody knows. And you can record a meeting also. That is, I hope everyone knows it. Okay, so now to end the meeting, you just need to create sorry, you just need to click on this particular button, that is leave call. Okay, the moment you click on this button, automatically the attendance summary gets generated. See here, these are the two files. Okay, these are the two files. Okay, you just click on the this one and open. As like it was the students who are already enrolled for my class. So this is how the summary gets created. Okay, so these files are generated automatically. One is a CSV file, it gets generated. If you open that CSV file, you will also come to know. uh, Here is a list of students, how long and what date they have joined, and at what time they have joined the link. Okay, this is what uh, the beauty of this particular facility. Okay, so I hope you are going to enjoy this video, and it will be fruitful for you people. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you can connect to me on my WhatsApp, or through an email. Thank you for watching this video, and Good night.